Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the Universal Yums box. And it is from Spam!
Spam? Spain!
Oh, Spain!
It's from Spam.
I meant to say Spain, guys.
Okay, I'm really excited for Spain, guys. So, I already see there's some yummy stuff in there, and I have the ingredients and the description of the snacks. Here, put that over here. Spam. Silly Mark. Okay, put it here. Okay, which one you want to try out first? I'm excited. Ooh, what's that? Show them what it is. Oh, that is olive oil cookies. It's called Carmen Lupianes Tortas de Aceite. So they're olive oil cookies. It says whether it's drizzled over salad or used to marinate meat, Spanish olive oil is incorporated into nearly every traditional dish. Our favorite use, these chewy Spanish tortas. The olive oil is baked with cinnamon, almonds, and anise, turning it into a treat so delicious you might start eyeing the bottle of olive oil on your kitchen counter. Ooh, okay. Let's try these olive oil cookies. They're kind of soft, a little soft, huh, Mark? Let's see. Olive oil cookies. Mmm. They smell really good, guys.
Oh yeah, they smell like the ones I like.
Yeah, they kind of smell like the Mexican bread, the little piggies. That's what it smells like. Okay. This is a good one. So far, so good. It does taste like those little piggies too, guys. The Spanish Mexican bread cookies.
I wasn't talking about those cookies.
I was. What were you talking about? Let me eat some more. It was good.
It's some cookie that Nana used to give me.
Nana?
When I went over.
You sure it's not the piggy cookie? No. These are good, guys. That is Iberian ham flavored potato chips. They're ham potato chips. You like ham, Mark?
Ham? A little.
A little? I like ham. So it says this result is a complex, intense flavor with an unparalleled sweetness. We had to give you a taste, but fortunately for the Iberico hogs, there's no meat in this recipe. Whew, no meat. Instead, you'll get the bold, full body flavor of the Iberian ham mixed with crispy, thin potatoes. Just try not to hog the whole bag. Let's give it let's give it a go. That is good. You liked it, huh, Mark?
I just like the wrong thing on.
Yeah, I'm gonna say mine. Let's see. Grandpa wants it. Smells like ham. Smells like bacon.
Smells good.
I'm gonna get a little chip. You want a little chip?
Okay. What is it?
It tastes like ham. Wow.
Ham chip? I'm not gonna like it.
It tastes like bacon ham. Bacon and ham.
So you keep that.
These are pretty good, guys. It kind of is ham. It tastes like bacon too, though. These are good. I like them. Next, these are called Shiki Shin. Shiki Shin. It's fried potato snack with barbecue flavor. So let's read. Let's read what this says. Shiki Shin.
Shiki Shin.
It says, for some Americans, summer means visiting the beach. For others, it means attending baseball games. It said, but But for most, summer means it's time for barbecue. Let's see what these had. It says it might be a bit too early in the season for a good old American barbecue, but this snack more than makes up for it. Packed with all the bold, meaty flavor that Spanish barbacoa is known for. These fluffy crisps are a big bite of summer in the middle of spring. Oh my god, barbacoa. Woohoo! Barbacoa. Oh, they're cute. Look at they're like rice puff cereal, like rice puff snacks. Kind of tastes like chicharrones,
I know.
but with no right. The chicharrones, but with no flavor, huh?
I'll keep these.
You'll keep those. Do you taste the barbecue? Because I don't taste the barbecue. Do you?
I taste like ham barbecue.
I know I still have ham flavor from the other chips.
I have barbecue flavor.
It's pretty good though, right?
Barbecue and ham.
Those are good. Tastes like chicharrones.
I know they're good.
Those are pretty good, guys. The Shiki Shin Barbacoa. Next. Mark's excited for these. Don't these look like, what do these look like?
M&M's.
M&M's. Even it sounds like M&M's.
I know, because look at right here. It looks like an M&M, but instead it says like something else on it.
It's Lacasitos Gold. It's caramel white chocolate candies, guys. Yummy. It says not only is the color of the candy gold, but the inside is gold too. Oh my goodness. Blending together just the right amount of white chocolate and caramel with a sweet buttery flavor and light crispy crunch. This is the gold standard of candy. Unfortunately, this kind of gold won't make you rich, but will sure make your taste buds happy.
Oh, I hope my Uncle Joe doesn't eat all this.
Oh yeah, no Uncle Joe, you're not having this.
Don't even. We're gonna hide it. Don't you
my-
dare eat it.
I'm excited for this. Okay. Woohoo! It even says gold on it.
Smell that.
Ooh. Let me have one. It's white chocolate. It says Lacasito. I can taste it. It is
And then
good.
it gets bad. Here, you have it.
You don't like it? It tastes like caramel.
Yeah, it's good and then it gets bad.
Look at this one says
Here.
gold on it. Let me see.
I have no idea.
It's caramel, like
I have
caramel.
no idea what this says because I bit it. It just says pull.
Pull.
Plo.
These are good, guys. These are very good.
I'm sticking to these two.
Lacasitos, go. Okay. Next, Mark. Peanuts.
I hate,
Puntazos. Cocktail de
I hate
maíz.
I hate peanuts.
These are snack mix barbecue flavor. So, it's barbacoa, snack mix with corn. And just it's basically rice puffs and salty corn chips. It says complement the corn nuts for a one-of-a-kind snack mix. So, let's see. It says, we think after one bite you'll understand why the Spaniards love them as much as they do. So it has rice puffs and corn chips, barbecue flavor.
Look how big this is.
That's huge.
I know. Look at guys.
Ooh, corn chip. Corn chips.
I don't like peanuts, but I'll take it a try.
Oh, look at there's different ones, Mark. Oh wow, look at it's those, Mark. The what's that? Corn chip.
These are good.
They are.
Let me try this one. Good.
Okay. This is really good, right?
I'm keeping this.
It's not just peanuts, it has everything, guys.
I'm keeping this one.
That one's
That star one's hot.
that one's good. Uh-oh. Here. Put it right here.
The star one's so hot.
Well, now we have the little candy.
Probably some bread will cool me down.
The bread.
Yeah, it cooled me down.
Candy.
I want to try this one because look how big this is.
Wow, that is lemon shortbread cookies, guys. Yummy. So it says the special lemon variety you hold in your hands. Dried cookies. Oh, careful. Let me see. They're dried cookies.
I don't know if I
Versus
like that. I don't know. I need to try it.
they're like butter cakes. So let's see. Did you read? Oh my God! It's masapan.
How is it?
Tastes like masa. It looks like it feels and tastes like masapan, but it doesn't taste like masapan.
You can have that.
Masapan is like peanut flavor. This is the lemon flavor.
You can have that. You keep that.
It's like very like it. It's like really melts in your mouth. It's like masapan.
How much you like so far?
Man, this is a good box, guys. I like this box so far.
How much one do you like?
All of them so far?
Or no, like do you have over there?
Oh, I have 3 over here. I have the lemon cookies, and that bread, and the olive oil cookies, and the golden lacasitos.
So how much do you have? How much things is that?
A lot.
3?
3 over here, and what
I
I like those too. Okay, next one.
No, you can only pick what's in your file. Let me see. Oh, these look. It looks like orange chocolate.
It is. That's what it is, Mark.
Orange
Chocolate
chocolate?
covered candied oranges. Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is gonna taste good.
Oh my God! Look at guys. It's like a slice of orange dipped in chocolate. Oh my God! I never had orange. Oh, you want the big one?
You're the grown up.
Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness.
That just like orange.
I never had like
Chocolate orange.
a chocolate orange. Orange dipped in chocolate. What happened?
That.
I'll eat this while he goes over there and spits. What happened, Mark?
Tastes terrible.
Now hurry up, Mark. Tell them how it tastes. Gotta get some juice.
Tastes like nuts.
Nuts? Doesn't taste like nuts. It tastes like orange dipped in chocolate. What's wrong with it?
Chocolate orange nuts.
I think it was pretty yummy, guys. Okay, next. Which one, Mark? Which one you want? I like all this whole box. I like so far, guys.
Yeah, this one's nasty.
It's a corn chip, Papa. Okay, which one?
Oh.
It's a corn nut. Okay, which one? Hurry.
This one.
Okay, these are. Let me see. Let me open them first. Chocolate with pine nuts, guys. These are chocolate with pine nuts. It's called El Caserio Chocolate con Piñones. So that's exactly what it is. It says, enjoy the rich, buttery taste of pine nuts in every chocolatey bite. It's hard. Really chewy.
And this says like that candy, that chocolate candy.
Which one?
The hard one, I guess that does your teeth.
Yeah?
That chocolate candy.
It's pretty good, guys.
Yeah,
I don't really
like
taste the. You don't like it?
I like it.
I don't really taste the pine nuts.
Yeah, I like it. Next.
They're pretty good. Wait. This is pistachio toffee, guys. Hey, where's mine? Oh. Thank you. Pistachio.
Yeah,
Ooh, I love pistachios,
they
guys.
are. They get stuck to my teeth.
These are creamy, chewy, pistachio-filled toffees.
I can't get those on my mouth.
Yeah, let's treat you. Pistachio. I love pistachio.
I can't bite this one. Oh,
Just suck on it. It's pistachio. You know that green ice cream? No, in here. You know that green ice cream mommy gets sometimes at the ice cream shop?
that birthday cake, the one that Frankie said it tastes like cardboard.
No. The green ice cream. And I had you taste it before and it's like, ugh. Remember? Well, that's what it is. I'm just chewing, guys. It's really chewy. But I actually like this one. I'm still chewing. Okay. So which were your favorites, Mark?
Well, I like the bread. And I like this chocolate, the one that came in this one.
The pine nut.
The chocolate corn.
Chocolate with pine nuts.
The chocolate. Let me see, what is it called?
It's called Estaserio Chocolate con Piñones.
Chocolate corn. Something.
What else did you like?
And I like the peanut things.
The mixed nuts.
And my favorite of all was these.
You like those ones?
The one
Really?
that tastes like chicharrones. That was my favorite one. My best one.
So far, you guys, this was a very
Good
box. Very good box, guys. I liked it. Are you guys ready for next month's clue? So let's listen up. It says next month we'll go to 7,000 places. What?
What?
Not just one. Don't stress, we promise. It will be lots of fun. Sweet corn, potatoes. It might sound like a bore, but this Pearl of the East has so much in store. I don't know, Papa. I am completely stumped with this one. Sweet corn and potatoes. Pearl of the East.
I know, the North Pole.
The North Pole. That's in the north, not the east. All right, Mark, so what do you say?
Santa came to give us presents in the past.
Okay. Okay, let's tell him bye, Mark.
Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.